Hi soya beans, eat soya. I've been seeing colored contact lenses all over my social media for a month now. Obviously they are popular among K-pop idols, but there are so many content creators using them as well. I see so many cool makeup looks with contact lenses. I wanted to elevate not only my makeup, but my appearance as well. So I got some colored contact lenses from just4kira. I never order anything without doing my research. So before I try these on, I'm going to give you a quick 101 on contact lenses. Because it can be pretty overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm going to explain everything.
Before buying lenses, you have to look at the specification first. So what do we see here? Water content. This is the percentage of water in the lens material. Lower water content, between 30 and 45, is usually better for a longer wear, especially if you have dry eyes. Base curve or BC is the curvature of the lens, and it usually ranges between 8.3 and 8.8. If it's too flat, the higher number, the lens moves too much. If it's too steep, the lower number, the lens feels tight and it can restrict oxygen. Next, in my opinion, is one of the most important, diameter. It's the width of the lens, and it's usually between 14 or 14.5 for colored contact lenses. The larger the diameter, the bigger the eye will look. So if you are looking for an enlargement effect, I recommend getting the 14.2 or a 14.5 plus millimeter ones. And if you are looking for a natural look, anything below 14.2 is good. These are the basics. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.
Let's unbox my package and I'm going to show you the lenses as well. I chose more dramatic dolly lenses because I'm going to use these mostly for content creation. Obviously, if you prefer something more plain, everyday, more simple, you can get whatever you want from just4kira. They even have clear prescription lenses. If you decide to purchase anything from just4kira, don't forget to use my code SOYAMOYA for 20% off. I ordered 4 pairs and they were so nice. They also sent me 4 of their contact lens cases, so I don't have to buy them separately and I can store them there. Ta-da! They even sent me a tweezer to take out the lenses and a tool to put in the lenses. So cool. So I got 4 pairs. I tried to get one of every color. I got a brown one. I also got a blue one, then a dark gray color, and this one is, I believe, green. Let's start with the brown one. I feel like brown is one of the most versatile eye colors. Like every makeup look looks good on brown eyes. This is what it looks like. This one is in the color jelly brown. This is what jelly brown looks on me. Honestly, it's giving more hazel and a little bit greener, but I feel like if you have darker eyes, it will show up as brown. I like them. I think it's such a unique color. It's super comfortable to wear. Even though this is kind of dolly, it's still on the natural side. Let's try the blue one, shall we? This one is called Jelly Blue and it's such a beautiful dark blue color. I think this one's going to be my favorite. I love it. Oh my gosh. I like it so much. It's such a pretty blue color. They remind me a little bit of Wonyoung's lenses, but oh my god, they are so gorgeous. They are so beautiful. I love them. They are also very comfortable and they don't move at all. They are not drying my eyes either. They definitely look more natural than some of the blue lenses on the market. Guys, I have no words. I'm obsessed. I like them so much. Wow. I'm super satisfied. Oh my god. I like them so much. Wow. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite. If you want a makeup look with these lenses, let me know in the comments. Next one is this green color. I think it's called Forest Green. This is what it looks like. So this is what forest green looks on. It's a super pretty dark green color. It actually reminds me of pine forest. That's the vibe I'm getting. This one is a little bit more dramatic. Obviously, it has that dolly effect. So I feel like this is going to be perfect for makeup looks. And by the way, guys, this is super comfortable. And mind you, the diameter is 14.5 millimeters, which is the biggest lens that I got. So they are quite big. They feel like nothing on the eyes. Putting them on was easy as well. And last but not least, let's try the gray one. This one is called Stella Gray. I believe this one is also kind of a darker tone. Oh yes, this is such like a pretty hazelish grayish color. Let's try it on. And now I have Stella Gray on. Wow, I love these as well. These are so unique. Oh my god. I know I said the blue one was my favorite, but hear me out. This has my heart as well. There are actually some black dots or particles on this lens. I'm gonna put a picture here. It's such a beautiful, vibrant color, but I feel like if you have darker eyes, like super dark black eyes, will not look as vibrant, but still it will look super pretty. Honestly, I was scared at first, but putting them on is super easy, and I don't have bloodshot eyes or anything. Wow. My favorite part of these lenses are definitely the coverage. You don't really see your natural eye color popping through the lens. That's kind of the point of colored contact lenses. You want to change your eye color. Next time I might do another try-on video, a styling or maybe a lookbook. These were the lenses that I got from just4kira. Definitely check it out. They are so affordable and the quality is so good as well. And don't forget that I have a special 20% off code for my soya beans, which is Soya Maya. So definitely check just4kira out, and if you decide to buy contact lenses from them, use my code and get 20% off. I can't wait to try these colored contacts with different makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to use my code Soya Maya for 20% off. Don't pay the full price. See you my lovely soya beans in my next video. Bye!